the third one that I will teach you is reframe. Alam mo ba, sobrang powerful ng reframe. It's a linguistic process, kumbaga we use language to our advantage. In every situation, kaya nating baguhin yung nararamdaman natin. We are experiencing a difficult situation in our life. And yung nakikita natin sa situation na yan, puro negative na lang. Ano yung nangyayari sa buhay mo kung puro negative na lang? Hindi ka makagalaw. You feel powerless. You feel paralyzed, right? But when you learn about reframe, you can change your perspective in that current situation. And yung maganda dyan, we just use language to do that. Let's say, for example, ambisyoso. Growing up here in the Philippines, I've always heard people say na, ambisyoso mo. Diba? Parang ang negative. Parang ikaw mismo, pag naririnig mo yun, parang nawawalan ka na ng gana maging ambisyoso. But did you know that being ambitious is very important para makuha mo yung gusto mo at makaalis ka sa sitwasyon mo? Makokontento ka na lang ba na puro asin na lang yung kinakain mo? Makokontento ka na lang ba na parang palagi na lang kulang yung kinikita mo, palagi na lang baon ka sa utang kasi ayaw mong yumaman because para sa'yo, ambisyoso is a negative word. What if you tell yourself that being ambitious is something positive? Ano kaya mangyayari sa'yo? You become more motivated to become ambitious. That's only one word. What if you know how to use this in different situations in your life? Whatever the struggles that you have, whatever situations that you have, you learn how to change the perspective. Kumbaga, positive thinking, how to be a positive thinker, di ba? You learn how to do that. Do you think very beneficial ba? Imagine just by changing your language, using reframes, and changing how you look at the situation, how you look at that statement, how you feel sa statement na yun, nagbago na yung nafe-feel mo. Let's say, sinabi mo, ang hirap naman ng buhay ko. How do you reframe that? Your struggles are blessings. Yung hirap na dinadanas mo ngayon are blessings right now in your life because it's teaching you to be stronger and more resilient. It's teaching you to find ways to get out of that situation. That's reframe. Experiencing something negative pero using it to our advantage and making it positive. Now the question is, how do you do that? What's the deeper technique there? What would happen if you learn more? What would happen if you fully understand the techniques and you use it intentionally? Alam mo paano gamitin. Alam mo kailan gamitin, paano gamitin, at para saan.